This is the Smart Choices 96 bottles stackable modular wine rack. This has got the 8 tiers. It's a wooden wine storage rack. It's freestanding, and it's basically a holder or display shelves. This has got the wobble free, and it's solid wood. Here's everything that's going to come in the box. Super simple, easy to do. This probably took me about 35 minutes, but that's just because I wanted to ensure each piece was pushed together correctly so that everything would hold up perfectly. You're going to start with the two ends. You're going to go ahead and take these bars and just slide them into place. Push them down completely until you kind of hear it click or snap into place. You're going to repeat this on the other side, and then you're going to repeat these 3 steps over and over until you've gone through all the pieces. Keep adding the sides on the end, and then one by one, add the sides that's actually going to hold the wine bottles. Now, what we like about this is that one, it can be painted, it can be stained, so that way it can match any room we're putting it in. As you can tell here, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. My husband loves it. It's perfect for in the hunting room, and it's a great addition. If you're looking for a great way to store those wine bottles, this is something we recommend.